So for L1 regularization, it's Lasso regularization. We have something similar, yeah, but basically this is the shape, yeah. So we have this shape, and then we still have, you know, the contour lines. And basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna put W1 to 0, yeah, W1 to 0, set W1 to 0, and then crank up W2 until you find that point where it crosses the regularization contours, yeah. And then people like it because it's sparse. So the vector has lots of zeros and only one for the features that matter. Yeah, people like it because it's quite deterministic. They can rule out some features because the W1 in this case is set to 0. So basically, what you do is you crank up W2. Yeah, and you reduce lambda slowly until these two come together, and then maybe once you're happy with that, you can move to W2 regularization. So there is a combination between L2 and L1. It's called the elastic net. So you have lambda W1. Lambda W1 plus beta W2. When I mean W1, so you can combine these. It's called the elastic net. Is lambda W1 plus, now you have the second parameter. It's mu This is called the elastic net, which means that we have lambda and then the L1 regularization plus mu, and that is then the L2 regularization. Yeah. Now, what we have here, so here the formula becomes CWB equals 1 over m. We have again that sum yp minus y squared. So here we're gonna add lambda and the level 1 norm, the L1 norm instead of here is the L2 norm. Yeah. So your lambda here is a hyperparameter. So it will need to be something that you select.